Hello guys, so let's be honest. Your documentation is probably a mess. And that's not an insult, it's just reality. Most store owners start with a few random notes, a Google Doc, maybe a help page or two. And before you know it, everything is scattered, outdated, and impossible to maintain. Documentation fails because knowledge lives in people's heads, not systems. And when people leave, the knowledge leaves with them. The result? Burnt-out support teams answering the same questions over and over. Slow onboarding for new hires who don't know where anything is, frustrated customers who just want a simple answer, and a growing pile of "we'll fix this later" that never actually gets fixed. Every tool claims they solve this. Most don't, so I went deep, way too deep, into Document360 to see if it actually fixes the documentation problem, or if it's just another AI-powered buzzword machine that sounds good in marketing but falls apart in real use. Document360 is an AI-first knowledge-based platform, and that part actually matters. You organize content into categories and subcategories, clean, simple, no chaos. Think shipping, returns, billing, getting started. You can start from scratch, use reusable templates for FAQs, SOPs, or guides, or bulk import existing Word docs and automatically split them into articles. So if you already have messy docs, you don't have to rebuild everything. Publish instantly, bulk publish, or schedule content ahead of time, which is perfect if you're rolling out new features or policies. Now the AI. This is where it gets interesting. Their AI assistant Eddie can generate full articles from prompts, turn videos or audio walkthroughs into step-by-step guides, rewrite content, summarize it, or generate FAQs in one click while following your brand voice and style guide. That means you can take a Loom video you made for a staff member and instantly turn it into a clean help article for customers. But the real killer feature is AI search. Users ask real questions, not keywords, and Eddie gives them a clear, summarized answer with citations. No link dumping. Instead of showing 5 articles, it gives one direct answer and points to the source. This alone can eliminate a massive chunk of support tickets, especially those "where is my order?" or "how do I change my address?" questions. Add contextual help that shows relevant answers based on what page the user is on, and suddenly your docs are proactive, not reactive. For example, if someone is on your checkout page, they can instantly see shipping or payment answers without opening a ticket. For teams, Document360 goes further with real workflows. Not just drafted and published, but custom approval stages, ownership, deadlines, and visibility into what's stuck. So nothing lives in limbo. Inline comments keep feedback where it belongs, and analytics show you exactly what's working, what's failing, and what users are searching for but can't find, literally telling you what to document next. That's gold for store owners who don't know what customers are confused about. Integrations like Zendesk let support agents search the knowledge base without leaving their workflow. So instead of typing the same answer again, they can drop a link or a summary in seconds. Now, real talk. There's a learning curve, and the best AI features live in higher tiers. So it's not for solo hobby projects or tiny FAQ pages, but for SaaS companies, growing teams, or anyone serious about reducing support tickets and scaling knowledge, especially Shopify stores that are growing. This is legit. Document360 isn't hype. The AI actually saves time. The search actually works, and the system actually scales as your business grows. If documentation has been sitting on your to-do list forever, this is one of the few tools that can realistically fix it. Free trial, no credit card, worth testing.